Hello everyone, I am here to do a video on my Shabby Chic journal I did. This is a custom order and let's see, I used a whole bunch of stuff on here. I used some canning rings, and this was Vonnie's idea. She did it and it was so cute that I had to do it too. And you just take them and you smash them, paint them, put a photo in there. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Oh my goodness, I love it. And I put where is it? I used this on the top of the photos. And I just dropped that little flower in there where her flower was on her, in her hair, and then I just put some little pearls in there when it was wet and let them dry. It's kind of like glossy accents, really. And then I just, this was one of my altered paper clips, but I just glued it right there because I loved it. And just sewed some buttons on this little button thing, and just a whole bunch of layering with some vintage little flowers on there. And this actually was a table runner that Vonnie sent me, and I just added this trim to it and the seam binding closure. And inside this one I sewed all the laces inside, and so like this is some vintage wedding dress that Wendy sent me, and just some old vintage trims that Vonnie sent me in here. And this was a curtain that I found at a Goodwill. And I just put some Tim Holtz. I sewed all around it. And in the pocket is just a tag I made. And this is Artie Mays' Dragonfly kit, which I think is amazingly gorgeous. And this is one of her envelopes. And I just put that in there. This on this side, and this is just a tag I made, and that goes there. And this is Tim Holtz paper on the inside, and this is a old document letter that I got off of Etsy, and I just poked holes in it and tied it with that vintage wedding dress, and it's just a little flip up, and that's the original document. And this is some old Grace Harbor Division planning schedule. This is Grace Harbor, is where I live. This is some old paper that I found at a garage sale. And this is out of an old vintage music book. And here is some postcards. And I will link where I got the postcards and Artie Mays' kits, her Dragonfly kit, below in the description box, because that's about all I used in here. Was, I can't remember where those came from, those postcards. I don't know why I can't remember that, but I have a little bling right there. And back here is another tag that I made, some washi tape, and this is just a little pocket that I did a bunch of collaging on. I think it's so cute. It's actually one of those long envelopes, and I just cut it, I embossed it and cut it in half and did some layering on it. And let's see if I can get this in there. I'm trying to do this without my little finger braces on, because they get in my way. And I also got this from the same place I got the beautiful postcards, and I'll link that shop below. Over here, I just made a little, sewed around the image and did some layering, made a little flip up, and there's a little booklet inside. It's a little tuck spot. And a tag I made, and this is Artie Mays. And these are some old playing cards, or scorecards, vintage scorecards that Vonnie sent me. Did some stamping, made a little envelope here. There's nothing in it, I don't believe. No, nothing in that one. And Another little tag that I made. And this is Artie Mae's, and this is just the top of one of those little tags that I got from Junk That Treasures. Here, let's put this way so you can see the cuteness. Some old ledger. This is some ledger that flips out. And this is from the Dragonfly kit from Artie Mae's, and that flips up. And got this journaling card, and this is just some extra paper folded up like an envelope for some journaling. And this is actually a stamp, a real stamp that I got off of eBay. And this is one of Artie Mae's freebies on Journal Junkies, and I love these. They're so cute. And here, this journaling. This is another little paper clip that I did. I love this paper. Another one of those postcards, and I sewed all around it. And this is Artie Mae's. And so is this one. And this is one that I just cut out of a file folder. I'll get back up here. There we go. And I just made my own envelope in here. And inside is this journaling card, which is Dreams, etc. On the back, I sewed around this image, and this is just another little tag I made. Over here is a flip up and down and a little booklet inside, and this is Clemmie's idea, and I will link her video below. I just love that idea. And I have this journaling tag, which is Artie Mae's. I love that booklet idea. She's so clever. And here is one of my envelopes that I made. And I got this idea from, this is actually an envelope. I didn't make this envelope. I just embossed it and decorated it. And I got this idea from Amity Bloom. And I just clip it on there like that. And this little cute tag that I made. And this is part of the Dragonfly kit, which I think is gorgeous. I just put some paper there. Another envelope that I made. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. And there's just some extra coffee dyed paper inside. I love these envelopes. They are so, they look so old, and they were brand new. My sister got them off of a garage sale. I just think they're so clever to decorate them like that, because I have a bazillion paper clip or envelopes, so I'm going to be making a bunch of those. That's for sure. And there is a flip up with some layering, and then these two beautiful cards. And a vintage doily. And in here we have Dreams, or Artie Mae's beautiful, cute little tags. And then this one. And over here is another paper clip that I made. Just layering on it. And Artie Mae's gorgeous tag. And this is another one of her journaling cards, which I love those. They're so cute. Another little envelope. And I don't remember if I stuck anything in there. Nope, I didn't. But I did glue something behind it, apparently. A little tag that I made. And this is just a little booklet. I think it's so cute. And then this is Artie Mae's. And back here, Artie Mae's little banner. I love this. And this is one of the original documents, letters, whatever you want to call them, which I love. It's my last one. So sad. I'm going to have to order some more. I did make copies of them and coffee dyed them, but it's just not the same. I just love the original ones. This is Tsunami Rose. And so is this. Come on. This is also Tsunami Rose. And that is my #1 Shabby Chic journal, which I absolutely love. Love, love, love. I have another one I'm making, and I will make that video really soon, within the next couple days. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and have a great evening. Bye-bye.